In the beginning, Earth was not like this as we see it today. It is a story over 13.8 billion years ago, when our galaxy was just nothing. Our sun was a ball of fire, then due to pull of gravity, a huge explosion happened, and this fireball divided into pieces. This singularity rapidly expanded in an event known as the Big Bang. Over hundreds of thousands of years, the Earth was like a ball of fire. The surface of Earth was a molten matter. Then the volcanoes erupted due to the high temperature of the surface of Earth. After all this, a long raining spell happened for millions of years due to which Earth was cooled down. Then particles and gases formed on the Earth's surface. The oceans and lakes came into existence. The aquatic life started with small unicellular organisms. With the passage of time, these organisms grow up into different aquatic species. The surface of Earth was a barren land without life. Life started with the growing of plants. These plants made the Earth lush, green, and beautiful. So the Earth is a product of a much larger cosmic process that began with the Big Bang.